Hi guys! So I decided that today we were going to do something a bit different. I want to start a decluttering kind of series thing here. It is spring and I'm feeling spring cleany and it's time to get rid of crap. And I guess I just want to take you along and see if you want to watch me declutter my junk. I know that declutter videos inspire me to go through my own things, and I'm going to KonMari my makeup collection because I have way too much and I want to have a collection of makeup that I really like and where I like everything in it, and if there's certain things I don't like or certain things that I'm not using or whatever reason, I believe that it is time to get rid of it. So if you're interested in learning about what things I have in my collection, what things I'm going to be getting rid of, then just keep on watching. Okay, so what I decided to do was to break everything up into its own section and kind of just go through every product, and it's going to kind of seem like a lot, I think, but I think it'll be healthy, and I plan to try to get rid of a few things out of each category. So I turned you around and we are going to start with the lipstick section because it is probably the worst. And what I've done, now prepare yourself, is I've scattered all my makeup throughout, and it looks pretty bad, pretty messy. And to some this is going to seem like a lot, and to others it's going to seem like not so much. But for me, it's too much. So it's time to start going through it. So let's start with the top. So here I've got Okalan wine tint, which I've never used because I just haven't. It's really cute though. Let me get it out. Okay, so this is it. And it's just adorable, and I keep telling myself to use it, but I can't because it's really dark and it's just not really a color I would really wear on the reg, so that's going out. I'm going to actually put you on a tripod. Give me a second. Okay, that's better. So now I can go hands-free. So this is my Flower Beauty lipstick that I really love. It's a nude color. It's probably one of my favorite colors, favorite nudie colors, and it's actually a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and so I will actually swatch it. Don't mind me, I've got some other swatches going on there. But it's just a really pretty color, and it works really well on my lips. It's a very peachy nude color, and it's a good bullet lipstick formula, and it feels good on the lips. That's staying. I have a lot of liquid lipsticks here, so I think I'm going to go through most of my liquid lipsticks. To here I've got Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip, and I've got, this color is Coral Minerals, and this color is called Nutritious. Kind of cheesy names, but I like it, it's cute. This is a great fall winter shade, and this is a great spring shade, so I'm keeping them both, and they're also very, very comfortable. I truly think that they hit the nail on the head with the formula. Then I've got this Sabella gloss that I like. It's a decent gloss. I like it for Christmas time, and it's just a fun, bright red gloss. This is my ColourPop Ultra Matte lipstick, and I like it because I swatched it here. I like it because it is a purpley shade, and it's getting on the older side, but it is a good summer color, so I'll probably keep it around this summer, and then by this next fall I might be tossing it. I've got this Unique Splash lipstick, liquid lipstick, and this is actually a really pretty color. It's one of my favorite colors. It's also a purple, but as you can tell, it is a little bit different of a shade, and I don't love the formula at all. I kind of think it's crappy formula and it wears off terribly, but I like the shade of it. So what I'd like to do is find a shade dupe for this liquid lipstick because the formula is pretty bad, but the color is just one of my faves. So kind of keeping. Let's look at something I'm getting rid of. I'm going to get rid of this Burt's Bees lip shimmer in the color Raisin, and it was a good lipstick, but I think it's kind of gone off. It's a bit old now, and it's time. This is my Christmas collection, my Too Faced The Sweet Smell of Christmas collection, and I love all of these. They're just, I honestly kind of only wore this one. I thought it was probably the best color on me. This one is called Hot Buttered Rum, and I really liked it. I still love it, but it's kind of a fall color, so I haven't been wearing it much. And then these 3 shades, this one's a bit red and bright for me, maybe a little too much, so this one is kind of too light, if you will. And then this one is very orange, and I'm not used to orange on my lips, so I have to have the right eyeshadow look, or the right look. This is a great everyday color, and I love it, but I'm not getting rid of any of them because it's a set. My brother got it for me, and it's got really good memories attached to it. Next, I'm gonna go over these gel lip liners. These 2 are gel lip liners. I got a red one, and I got this one. And the red one goes good, obviously, anytime I'm wearing a bright red. I'm going to be keeping that. And then I'm going to be also keeping this Wet n Wild gel lip liner. This is called Gone Burgundy. The Wet n Wild liquid lipstick here in Give Me Mocha with this gel liner as good together, and it's kind of necessary. It's slightly different, but it's a good match. Let's go over the last few Wet n Wild lipsticks here. I've got these different shades here. Let's see, I've got Pink Really Hard, I've got Nudist Peach, and I've got Berry Recognize. I like Berry Recognize, it's a good summer bright shade. And then I also like, I think I like Nudist Peach. I think we're gonna go with a few more of this. I'll use it a little more. But this one, this Pink Really Hard, it's so like Barbie, I don't know, like Pepto-Bismol pink. I kind of don't like it, so we were definitely getting rid of this. I also have another lip liner here. It is Milani, and you guys, I don't know why I bought a lip liner that required me to sharpen it, but I did, and I regret it because it's dumb and I can't stand it. And it's also very nude. It's almost too nude to, I mean, it's showing up on my hand, but like on my lips, it's basically the same color as my lips. So why am I outlining my lips with the same color? It's just not necessary for me. Then this Too Faced Melted Matte in Queen Bee. It's a very nice color. It's a nude color. And it kind of makes me think of this color. These 2 are very similar, but this one is a good, I like this formula probably better, by Pixie by Petra, and I like this, I still like this color. They are different, so I'm going to be keeping them both. This Maru Butter Lip Cream by Physicians Formula. I talked about this in a summer favorite, and I love this. It's kind of bright, but it's SPF, and it's a great summer lipstick, and of course I'm keeping it. This is Burt's Bees Pumpkin Spice chapstick, and I'm a little torn because I do like it. I like the way this smells, but it's probably not the most moisturizing in the world. I'm thinking about keeping it around just to have a lip balm around, but I'm gonna try and use it more so I can kind of get rid of it. I also have this Carmex, which is amazing. I use this all the time, multiple times per week, and it's probably one of the best hydrating lip products, and it was like literally like $1 something, so really good to have. This is a gloss that isn't too gloopy for me, and it's also minty and tingling, and I love this. It's probably my favorite gloss that I own. It's a clear gloss, and it's perfect. Then I've got this Tarte lip paint. I got this for my birthday, and I tried it once, and the formula is kind of drying, so I'm not sure. I think I'm going to keep it around maybe this summer, but it's not my favorite lipstick in the world. I just have to make sure I wear something hydrating underneath. Now let's talk about this Bite set that I got for Christmas. It's got all these different lipsticks in them. I do like them a lot. Sake, Date. These two are new to year colors. Then I've got a really bright red, I believe. Yep, this is a bright red. And then I've got this other color called Nori, and it's a very dark vampy color. Bite Beauty is probably my favorite, one of my favorite bullet lipstick formulas. And this one I got for my birthday last year at Sephora, and I really think it's a good lipstick. I've obviously not used it up, but I'm headed there. And it also came with another thing that I ended up using entirely. So these are great. I'm going to keep them all. Here's some things I'm going to be getting rid of. This is a ColourPop Lippy Stick Primer. I did use it, and you can tell when I wind it all the way down, you can tell I've used some of it, but honestly, it's another step, and I forget about it all the time, so I'm getting rid of this. This is Sabella Lip Treatment, and it's just a clear, and I sometimes use it. Trying to decide if I should get rid of it because it's really not that great. I think I'm going to get rid of it. Doing it. I want to talk about these three. These are all by Sabella, and I got them online. Got Pink Sorbet, Peach Silk, and Red Kiss. I like Red Kiss. I love the color of it, but the problem is it has gone off and it is a bit expired. It smells funny too, but the problem is I really love the color. It's a beautiful red color, and it's like really brown, I guess. It's almost a red brown. I love it. It's like a beautiful color, and it looks good on my lips. Most of my reds are a really bright red, and this one is just a pretty brownier red. So I'm actually going to keep it in order to shade match, to see if I can find another color just like this one. Now these two, if I can get the lids open, these are very shimmery. I don't know if you can see that. Look at how shimmery that is. That's Pink Sorbet, and this one is Peach Silk. I think that they're pretty, and I used to wear them all the time, and I thought that they were really pretty. I don't know. I think that I'm not into so much of a shimmery kind of color. You can see that. But these are very shimmery, so I would like to move a bit away from the shimmer. I love matte colors now. These also, I think, are just a little off, and I just don't wear them anymore. So they both are going to be going. And then lastly, I've got this Hourglass Confession lipstick set that I got for Christmas, and boy, this is beautiful. I love these. So this one is a red. Now, I just talked about red, and let me swatch this side by side. So it's really not a bad shade. This might actually be somewhat of a shade match. It's not the same shade, but it ain't bad. Maybe I will go ahead and toss the other one because I have this one that's so similar. And this is a very expensive brand, and it's a good formula. And then this one is beautiful. This component is amazing. It's rose gold, and it's just so pretty. Now the color in the inside is like a mauvey pink. I also really love that, and it's just one of my faves. Let me swatch it. Look at how pretty that is. It's just so pretty. And I did a very tiny swatch because I don't want to use a big swatch and waste my lipstick. So obviously I'm keeping both of these. Yes. That pretty much completes this. It pretty much completes this part. I also forgot about this Bite Beauty Agave Lip Balm. I definitely want to try this. I've heard really good things about it, and it's just a little sample that I got with the birthday perk last year. And so definitely going to be trying it eventually. And this will maybe get me motivated to try it and get it out of my collection. And that completes this part of the video. I'm going to move on to other sections of my makeup. I hope you will join me, and I appreciate you for watching this. If you did like it, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And look at that, goodness. Anyway, I will be seeing you in another video. Bye!